Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing fine. I'm here with a very interesting activity for you all today. Do you remember the lesson Flying Together? The activity that we are going to do today is based on the moral that we learnt in the lesson. So, let us try to recall the moral of the story. A very important thing that we learnt in the story was time management. So, what is time management? And why do you think it is important for us? Time management is important for all of us so that we can prioritize all our tasks and achieve our goals faster. When we manage our time better, we'll be able to take on new opportunities and grow substantially to being better individuals. We will also be able to be more organized and we'll be able to fetch better results. But children, have you ever thought what are the things that we need to do on time? Some things like getting up on time, making our bed, taking bath, eating our meals, taking afternoon nap, doing our homework, going to bed on time are the things that we do in our daily routine. And what do you think will happen if we do not follow a proper routine? I will tell you. We will miss our deadlines, be confused, be disorganized. We will tend to procrastinate our work. We'll get stressed. And in turn, our performance will deteriorate. So, children, do you want your performance to be bad? Definitely not. So, what is the best thing to do? To manage our time well. So, today's activity is based on the same. To manage your time well, you should practice estimating time to complete your tasks. You should try different routines. You should have a visual timer in front of you all the time. You should try to be self-motivated and to pace up yourself. To make checklists to prioritize your tasks. And these are some other ways that will help you to manage your time well. We know that time is very precious and the time that has once gone will never come back. So children, use your time wisely. It's time for today's activity now. So brace up yourselves, children. On your screen, you can see a sheet. And as we know that we need to make time for what we truly want to do. So children, it's time to prioritize your tasks. This is an activity which will really help you to stay organized. So, what you need to do is, you need to have 6 must do today tasks and 6 tasks that you want to do today. This will help you to prioritize your tasks amongst all the activities that you want to do in a day. So, children, want to do tasks means those activities that you wish to complete in that particular day. And must do tasks means those activities that you have to complete, that you must complete in that particular day. And by the end of the day, you will have to check the list and see how many of your tasks have you been able to complete in that day. And children, by following this routine every day, you will see that slowly you will be able to complete all your tasks in one day. This is a great way of keeping yourself super organized, children. So, what are you waiting for? Start thinking of all those activities that you want to complete in one day and also try to prioritize them. So, children, I hope you will enjoy jotting down your favorite tasks. Be conscious of how you are spending your time, master the art of time management, and be very successful in life. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Bye-bye.